Mindful Moments with Mr. Jaws. Written by Sierra Wellborn, Hannah Wood, and Campbell Foster. Illustrated by Sierra Wellborn. Good morning, class. I hope you're feeling swimmingly, said Mr. Jaws. Mr. Jaws noticed that his students were yawning and had their heads down. All right, class, form a circle on the carpet around me for morning meeting. I see that some of us are tired today. I have groggy mornings too, but I know what we can do about that. I like to start my mornings by closing my eyes, finding a comfortable place for my fins to rest, and clearing my mind of worry. Let's take 30 seconds. Keep your eyes closed and breathe in through your nose for 5 seconds. Imagine you got a whiff of delicious hot cocoa. Hold it there for 2 seconds. Breathe out through your mouth for 5 seconds. Let's repeat this 3 times. Place your fins on your belly. Take 5 deep breaths and notice how your fins move up and down as you breathe in and out. I want you to imagine the happiest day of your life. Swim through that day in your head for 15 seconds. Now raise your fins slowly above your head. Stretch your fins to the ceiling like you're reaching for the waves. With your fins raised, bob your head slowly back and forth for 8 seconds. Take your right fin and stretch it behind your neck. Hold on to it with your left fin and pull gently. Now repeat this move with your left fin and remember to breathe deeply. Close your eyes and think about one thing you can see, hear, taste, and smell. Mr. Jaws looked at all the smiling faces ready to start the day. The end.